Today we're doing another Nerf gun review. The reason it's not called like modulus or something like that is because we're going to call it elite, but we're not sure what to call it. So, because you also have like these kind of guns, which aren't elite guns. So basically we're just going to call them Nerf guns. And these are modulus, so let's get this out of here. And then our next video on Nerf is going to be modulus. Oh god. Oh god. One out. Actually, isn't this modulus? Yeah, this is modulus. Okay, where is it? Dual strike. Bryson's being really annoying over there. Bryson, be quiet. Okay, let's see. So these are the guns.
This is a modulus.
This is not a modulus, actually.
Yeah, there's add-ons.
Yeah, no. Yeah, I can have an add-on on a normal gun, I think. Wait, is this a modulus?
It is.
No, it isn't. It says elite. So basically, this gun, we would do a review on this one, but sadly, this gun is actually broken. But according to reviews on online, this gun is actually really good. But I don't think they sell them in stores anymore.
Yeah.
So this gun is the next one. Just because I feel like it, Bryson.
It's crap though.
Hold the camera. No, I like it. Hold it. Hold it.
What's that?
Hold the camera. You don't have to put that in. That's not in this video. That's in our next video. So basically, this gun is actually really. This is a really good gun. But basically, to reload it, you have to get this, push this down, pull this out, snap. Bryson, you're not even doing it. Basically, to reload this one, you just have to hook that down, pull it out, snap it down until it gets all the way down to the very bottom. Then just put these bullets in. Get it, put it back up, push it back in. So this gun isn't the best for time, but it does shoot 2 bullets at once. And yeah, I mean, that little. Right there. Not sure if you can see it, but I made it for it.
Wow.
So it doesn't shoot the best, but it is good because it does have 2 bullets.
Crappy.
And the next one, the dual strike. I love this gun. It never jams up. Because this gun, I just don't think. I'm just gonna put actually one.
If you like hear poop and pee gun, that's what some people say.
No, one person does. So basically, it holds the elite bullets up here, mega's down here. Just which way you want to shoot this elite, and then if you switch it, mega. So I'm gonna shoot the mega. Aim with the mega. What? Okay, what's that info? It does actually shoot a little bit better than that, but my hand slipped there. And the elite. So it doesn't shoot the best, but it is pretty good. And next up is the bowstring, I think it's called. Bowstring. And basically this one's awesome because it looks really cool.
It's mine.
When you pull back, it goes like that. And it is actually, it's just awesome. And then there's a scope, and then when you shoot, it goes
It doesn't
down.
shoot that far, but
When you shoot, it goes down. Next is our mom's gun.
it's our mom's. So like, any moms out there that you have, comment down below if your mom has that gun.
Nope, mom's gun. And then to reload, you just go pull back, push
Okay.
forward, and then you go like this, and then you just shoot. And it shoots actually really well. And then next is this pistol. I'm not sure what it's called, but it holds 3 bullets at once. And it's pretty much a drill.
It's an elite.
And you pull down, and then you just aim, fire. Pretty good. This one's the exact
Why are you like
same.
trashing our guns?
This one, I don't care.
I forgot
This
about
one
that.
is the exact same. And basically, but it only holds 1 bullet, and it's like this. And when you shoot, wait. Oh, it goes a little wild.
We also have this.
Next is this one. This one is awesome. I'm not going to hold this. I'm not sure they sell this one in stores anymore.
They do.
Because this one is the version where you go like this. You pull this button down, pop this out, and then you can like, swing it around. But basically, ours is actually broken, sadly. It's broken, so basically now you have to go like this. And it doesn't spin by itself. But it is a pretty good gun. Bryson.
I have another gun to show you.
It has perfect aim.
So this is an old, or one of our favorite first guns.
Okay, actually,
I'm showing.
let me do it.
So this one, we used to have 2, but we traded it for
I forget.
money.
No, it wasn't money.
Okay.
Whatever, just. Oh my god.
And so it's pretty good. Shoot it.
It shoots 2 bullets at once.
No, shoots one.
Shoots 2 bullets at once. Just the gun isn't the best. It messes up sometimes when you're shooting. I don't know. That's pretty good. And actually, I'm just gonna add these guns in. I'm pretty sure this is a modulus, isn't this?
That's modulus.
No, it isn't. Actually, it's not. I don't think it's modulus. Actually, we're adding a few other extra guns. Hold this.
We apparently have a few extra guns, so.
Because we didn't think these were going to be in the video. But, whatever. This gun, you have to put one bullet in at once. And when you do, then you have to go like this, pull it back and push it back in. Well, it does have this cool thing in the back, and you can also add this one thing at the front, but I prefer not having it on. And its aim, it's pretty good actually.
Yeah, it's my gun actually. So.
What's this gun? This gun used to be, I think, used to be one of our best.
That's
And
mine.
it holds 4 bullets. That's the awesome thing. Because
Mostly guns are mine.
one, I think. Because like, you have one other one and one was one. And basically, this one you have to pull this back, aim, and shoot. It doesn't shoot the best, but I still like it. And next,
That's our second crossbow, our first Nerf gun, Star Wars.
Yeah, it's our first Nerf gun ever. Wait, I need to get a bullet in this so I can. It does have a pretty good shot, but basically to reload it, you have to go like this, pull it back with both fingers, make sure that it's behind on both sides, get the bullet, slide it in,
Then finally shoot.
and fire. So this actually was our very first gun, and it's not too bad. Just the reload time isn't the best. And I would say that the best gun of all of them is this gun.
What?
Let me see, I messed up with my reload gun.
That is not the best gun.
I think this is the best. First one, what do you think is the best?
Darn straight on. This one.
Why do you think it's the best?
Well, I'll show you.
Because, but it doesn't hold very many bullets, and then you also have to reload
It
every
holds
single
right
one.
here.
Yeah, whatever.
I just used a special bullet.
So yeah, guys, that's the review. Make sure to go and get some Nerf guns, and you can also do like fun Nerf gun wars. We might actually be posting a Nerf gun war next Monday or later, because we're gonna be getting this one thing for the head, like the head strap, and then with the GoPro on. Then we're gonna be playing a Nerf gun like that, a Nerf war like that. So guys, make sure to like, subscribe. Hope you have a great day, and bye.